Hello, my name is Michael Hernandez. I'm a dentist in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I took the Bootcamp course here at the Foundry, and it was wonderful. My doctor that I work with, he told me about it. He did it several years ago. He said, "You've got to go do this." And I did a little research, compared it to a couple of other courses, and it seemed to be a really great course based on what I saw. So I'd highly recommend it to anybody. I learned a lot, did more than I had expected to be doing, which was already, I had pretty high expectations already. It was wonderful. I would definitely do it again.
What's your favorite part?
Oh, my favorite part, learning how to, we kind of change plans on the fly. We would have a plan for a case, something would happen, one of the faculty.
Favorite part?
So my favorite part was we would plan a case out, and invariably there'd be some change. Either we would have to change course on the osteotomy, or the osteotomy, we reduced it in size mid-treatment because we found that the measurement that we had made was, it looked like it was going to be big enough, but it actually in the mouth it was smaller. So having faculty here to help guide you through these changes in the plan was wonderful.
Okay. And the benefits to your practice?
Oh, they're going to be huge. The doctor I work with already places implants, and he advertises for implants. So there were a lot of patients coming in the door that I wasn't seeing because I wasn't placing implants, and now I'll be seeing them. So it'll be wonderful.